How to factory erase your PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can factory erase your PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to factory erase your PS4 console, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch settings. From settings, scroll down to the bottom until you see at the very bottom an option known as initialization. So make sure to click on initialization, and here you'll find initialize PS4. So make sure to click the initialize PS4 option. If you want to wipe it completely, select this option called full, and once you select the full and then click the initialize option, your PS4 is going to get restarted, and then after that everything will get started from the very beginning and it will completely wipe out your PS4 as well. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically factory erase your PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.